Hold on to your seats. Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. Yep, it's a real thing, that's right. Charles Osborne holds the Guinness World Record for the longest hiccuping spree ever. It all started in 1922 when Charles, just an ordinary guy from Iowa, suddenly found himself hiccuping non-stop. Doctors tried everything from hypnosis to surgery, but those hiccups were here to stay. Can you imagine hiccuping through the Great Depression, World War II, and the moon landing? Poor Charles hiccuped about 430 million times before they finally stopped in 1990. And here's the kicker. He kept on living his life. He got married, had kids, and even worked on a farm. Talk about perseverance. So next time you get the hiccups, just remember it could be worse. You could be hiccuping for 68 years. Stay curious and keep those hiccups at bay.